In this video, I'm going to show you how to set scale in PDF XChange Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top here and you want to click on comment. Inside here, you want to select one of these measuring tools. So here, for example, I'm going to do distance and I'm actually going to measure the distance over here. So I'm going to click for the first time and then I can just drag this out and click for the second time. Now, of course, now I have to go up or down here. I'm just going to do it like this. There we go. So it's visible. And then after you've done that, make sure this part is selected. So the measurement is selected. You want to go to format up top. And then here you can now set the scale. So as you can see here, you have like different options. You have centimeters, points, inches, millimeters, etc. And then over here, you also have like different metric and imperial units. So for example, let's say I just am going to do something completely random like kilometers. And then here I'm going to do centimeters. And there we go. Of course, you can set your precision over here as well. And then if you actually want to set the scale, you also have additional button over here. When you click on it here, you can basically just go ahead and manage these measurements. You could calibrate these measurements, which will allow you to basically do different points. So for example, if I want to go from here to here, let's say, and I click, there we go, it's going to allow you to basically see the distance measured, of course, in any of the units you want. And then here you can basically create different presets. You can specify the distance in desired units, etc. And then, of course, set your scale that way. So those are basically all the options you have. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.